Hello, painty peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm glad you're here. We're going to be doing a little painting today, but before I do, I wanted to show you one of the pieces I did it was yesterday or the day before with my leftover paints. It is not 100% dry yet, but these colors are magnificent, guys. I was so pleased with this, and I do have the bigger one, but it is still under lock and key, doing a slow dry. Let's talk about what we're doing today, and I'm going to walk you through a couple of things, if you all don't mind, by request. The pour that I did yesterday or the day before, I cannot remember, I will post a picture of it. A lot of people asked me, Kathleen, how do you do that second and that third cup that you poured without your original first cup not moving all over the place? Well, it's pretty darn simple, and it was a good question. It's pretty darn simple. The reason I do my ring pours, I think it's called a ring pour. Like I said, guys, I don't know all the names to these different pours, but all my paints were layered in a cup, and then I slowly poured them out into the canvas, and then I manipulated the paints. So why I do that is because if you do one cup, tilt it and get that paint into the position that you want, with the majority of the excess paint having run off the canvas, then when you do your second cup or your third cup or your fourth cup and do the same with that, by the time you get to your third cup, these two original cups, most of the paint has run off, and you can keep them in the position that you want them in. So I hope that makes sense, and because of that, I'm going to do another one here for you, just so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to layer my paints in a cup, then I am going to pour my cup into a tree ring pour, and then I'm going to tilt and get that first cup exactly where I want it before I add my second cup, so that you can kind of dictate where your paints are going to end up. Now, I enjoy stretching my ring cups, and how I determine what runs off where depends on what I'm seeing in those paints. If there's a beautiful design down here, but a not so great design up here, I'm going to roll this off to bring this more to center or to stretch it out, because I really like the way it looks when those rings are stretched. I think it gives it a lot of interest and some depth. So I hope that helps, and that's what we're going to be doing today. We are working on a 12 by 16 canvas. Buy one, get one free at Michael's today, I think through Sunday, guys. So if you need some nice gallery wrap canvases, I would head that way. Our base coat is down, and I gotta tell you guys, I am missing my Artist Loft Flow acrylics. Here it is in the blue, but I use the white and the black, and I have been out of it for a while. And yesterday I did a pour using the Masters Touch Titanium White, and I just couldn't get the consistency to that paint right. Earlier today I did another painting, and what I used was some house paint. And I thinned it down with my GAC 800 and my Floetrol and a little bit of water, and that's what we're using here. So I hope that it works out okay. And I finally got some more Artist Loft ordered, so it should be here in the next couple of days, and I am grateful for that. let's talk about the colors we're using because they are beyond delicious, and I hope that they play well together. My good friend Gail Burston from Life and Splatter sent me a little package the other day. I posted a picture of it on Facebook. A beautiful package with like 9 paints in them, and 2 of the paints are discontinued. And everybody was like, "Whoa, where did Gail get them? Where did she get them?" But she gave them to me from her personal stash. And Gail, I love you to pieces, girl. You were so generous, so kind, and so talented. And I'm very happy to call you my friend. So don't be jealous, guys, but I got 3 bottles of Art Minds Mysterious. And here it is in this cup, and I'm excited to use it because I've never used it before. They discontinued it before I ever got my hands on it. She also sent me this Art Minds Galactic, and this is a beautiful shade of purple. These paints mix up so beautifully, so creamy, so nice. These paints and the Art Alchemy are 2 of my favorite new things. What else do we have here? Oh, this pretty cup right here, guys. That's a combination of the Art Alchemy Opal Magic, which is like iridescent. And I mixed into it just to change the hue a little bit. What the heck is this? Jade Stone is what it's called. This writing, look at that writing, guys. How the heck is anybody supposed to be able to read that? But I mixed these 2 together and it came up with just a lovely sheen, a lovely hue that has some beautiful iridescence in it. What else do we have going on? We have in this yummy cup, thank you again, Gail. This is Art Minds Malibu. Now, I have used this paint before, and then after I found it, fell in love with it, then I couldn't find it again. So, Gail, I am very, very grateful for this. And what else? Guys, this is a fun paint. This is DecoArt textured paint, and it has some texture to it, but once you add your pouring medium to it, it kind of goes away. And this is the Teal green. Very, very yummy. And once it dries, I've used it before, there was no texture in it, so don't be afraid of it, but just look at the bottle. I mean, it's just a beautiful shade of a teal green. And then our final cup was my very last bit of Artist Loft White mixed with Satin Enamel White. And let me grab that little cup there to show you. There you go. So I don't know if that means it's a cloud pour because I'm adding the satin enamel to it or not. But we are going to go ahead and layer these colors in a cup, and I'm going to show you what I mean about tilting 1 cup at a time to kind of keep the composition a little bit more fine-tuned to what you're hoping for. Sorry if I'm a chatty Cathy today, guys. I'm in a great mood, and I'm excited to do this painting with you. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's get busy.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, make it worth your while. While, all the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you. And I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make